Round 72,053 to the nearest hundred. There are different ways to solve this question. Let's use number line to solve 72,053 to the nearest hundred. I'm going to draw a number line here. And marks of the hundreds on the number line. 72,000 here, 72,100, 72,200, and so on. So our number is 72,053. So let's see where this number lies. 72,053 will lie between 72,000 and 72,100. So the mid of this number will be, let's see, it's here. So this is 72,050. So our number is 72,053. So this number will be somewhere here. So this means this number 72,053 is closer to 72,100 instead of 72,000. Right. So the rounded form of this number will be 72,100. So this is the answer of our question. Let's solve this question in another way, the way which I told you in my previous video. 72,053. We have to round this number to the nearest hundred, and this is the second way which I have used in my other video. So we have to round to the nearest hundred means we have to mark where's the hundreds place. So this is the place and this is the number which we have to round. So the rules which we followed in my previous video is, the first rule is that if we have to round this hundreds place, we have to look to the place right to the rounded place. Okay, the one place right to this hundreds place is the tens place, and this is the tens place, and we have the digit 5 here. Okay, so what we have to do now, we have to check that if this digit is 5 or greater than 5. What does this mean? This means that if this digit is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we have to round up the digit in the hundreds place, right? According to this rule, we have to give increment of this 0 by 1, because here we have in the tens place 5, and this digit will be 0 because we'll get rid of rest of the digit. So the answer will be 72,100. So we had the same answer using number line. So either way, we got the same answer. Let's take another example. The other example is round 72,942 to the nearest hundred. Okay, we have to round this number to the nearest hundred. So first of all, we should mark the place value of digits. This is ones place, this is tens place, and this is the hundreds place. This is the hundreds place which we have to round, and the one place and one less than this place is the tens place. We have to check the digit in the tens place, and we have to round this number. Okay, the digit in the tens place is 4. So this means if this digit is less than 5, okay, if this digit is less than 5, so we have to round down. But round down doesn't mean we'll decrease this number. Round down means we'll have the same number. So the answer will be 72,000. We're not going to change this number. This will be 9, 72,009, and the rest of the digits will be 0. So this is the answer of this question.